New businesses, potential issues with a test run. One thing we've talked about here on the channel is the potential of doing a test run with a new business. And I think that's a great strategy. If you're thinking about jumping in the business world, get out there, do a test run, and see how the business does in the real world. Here's the problem with the test run is you may have non-competes at your existing employer, or you might have a situation where you have a duty of loyalty or trade secrets or other things. So you got to be very careful about how you do this test run. The most ideal situation would be if you were in completely unrelated business and had no non-competes, you could then easily go out and potentially test a new business venture that is unrelated to whatever you're doing as an employee. But if you're an employee of somebody else, and now you want to start dipping your toe into the entrepreneurial waters while you're still employed, that's great from an income standpoint. It's great from a risk management standpoint, but you need to understand how your current employer is going to react to that and whether they're going to try to want a piece of the pie, especially if things go well. So you've got to do some advanced planning. This is why you want to think carefully about what you've signed, what you've agreed to, what information from your current employer you're using, and also what resources. Maybe you're using your employer's printer or computers or other things. Is that appropriate? Probably not. So you need to get separate assets to build this business out. Now, if you're part of a privately held business, maybe you're a part owner of a business and you want to start a second business, hey, this is where a great time to go approach your partners, tell them what you're doing, get their sign off, so that you can close out these legal issues before they even become the issues. So I think test runs are great. Testing a new product, testing a new service, testing a new potential business idea. I think that's all fantastic. The issue is going to be you're going to have to make sure you close off the avenues of legal attack before you get started. So meet with an attorney, talk about what you're going to do, get a strategy put down, build it, and then execute on it. If you have general questions, ideas for future videos, drop them below. But remember, questions and comments on this channel are not confidential, so don't put anything there you don't want other people seeing. For confidential communications, reach out to an attorney you're choosing. And I hope you subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks in the future.